Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you the Peg E hacks on Monopoly Go, or you can say how to get the free ones. So, what you need to do are four things. First of all, there are many current events. You need to participate in them for getting lots of Peg E tokens because these are very much available. You can always see what are the list of the available milestones. Next up, you need to complete quick wins. You can locate it in the lower left corner of the game lobby. You need to complete them and you'll get many free Peggy tokens. Next up, you want to open your free gifts, which are in every 8 hours. At the top left corner there will be some gift boxes. You need to open them. Last but not the least, during your mini Peg E game session, you'll encounter three distinct bumpers, which are dice rolls, cash, and Peggy chips. You need to target the cash located on left side or right side of them to achieve it, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.